When Nintendo released Switch a few years ago, it seemed that the Japanese game had found a worthy successor to the Wii. The company reduced its forecast for Switch's annual shipments for the fiscal year from 20 million units to 17 million, an indication that the hybrid console could be struggling to acquire new users. The company broke some estimates. Wall Street predicted $1.34 billion in profits, but the company surpassed it, earning $1.5 billion. The company has now reduced the sales target while looking for new ways to expand its appeal beyond the status quo. The shares of Nintendo fell to 7% in Tokyo, following the reduced sales target, as speculation continues to revolve around the attraction of the Switch. When launched for the first time, the gaming giant could not send enough units to satisfy the insane demand, and there were signs that the popularity of Switch could help the Japanese game maker to take on PlayStation and Microsoft. In terms of functionality, the Switch is not more powerful than the Wii U that was launched earlier, but has been more successful. The Switch has a greater appeal with its ability to function as a handheld computer and a home console.